In this video, you'll learn how to generate lists using Kimi AI. This process is straightforward and will help you create various lists efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the interface for Kimi AI featuring options for different functionalities. Next, locate the area where you can enter prompts. This is typically a text input field prominently displayed on the main screen. Click on this prompt area to activate it, allowing you to type your request. After that, type in a request for your list. For instance, you might enter the phrase create a list for gaming. Ensure that your request is clear and specific, as this will help Kimi AI understand what you want. Once you have entered your prompt, click on the enter button to submit your request. This button is usually located adjacent to the text input field. After clicking, you should observe a brief loading indicator or visual feedback indicating that your request is being processed. Now, wait for Kimi AI to generate the list. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request. Be patient as the system works to provide you with the results. You will see the generated list displayed on the screen once it is complete, allowing you to review the output. If you encounter any delays, consider checking your internet connection, as slow speeds can impact the response time. Additionally, ensure that your device has sufficient resources available to run the application smoothly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.